Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So on my back you can see this is the Incineration Rotary Kiln, and in this video I'm going to introduce about the supporting parts of the Incineration Rotary Kiln. So as you can see, the rotary drum with the riding ring will be right on the supporting devices, and then the supporting device will make this barrel to rotate. And then as for the structure, you can see this one is a supporting roller. It is a metal casting, so it is cast to the machine and then assembled. And then this one is a bearing housing. So the function of the bearing housing is inside you have a bearing. So the bearings with the shaft allows supporting rollers to rotate. And then as you can see, one thing features about our devices, you can see we have a base frame. So the base frame, we also have the bolts and nuts here to allow for the movement adjustment when it arrives on site. And then on the other side is the drive systems of this Incineration Rotary Kiln. As you can see, that one we have thrust rollers on each side of the riding rings, and then we have the motors connect to the reducers, and then the reducers connect to the supporting rollers, and then to making the rotary devices to rotate. So usually it is driven by Girth gear, but this time this is a friction drive. So that's why you are seeing there's no Girth gears. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll introduce about other part of our activity.